Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 convertible. The point of our walk arounds is easy: transparency. To show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below the video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights the features and options of this C300, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, original window sticker, financing options, or a shipping quote for anywhere in the country, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, we're going to let you hear the engine of this Mercedes-Benz C300. Thanks for joining us, and let's do this walk around. Okay, doing a quick walk around on this 11,000 mile C300. This vehicle has been well maintained and is ceramic coated. As you can see, there are very minor chips right here on the very bottom of the bumper. From 2 feet away, you can't see them anywhere. Other than that, this Mercedes convertible is in amazing shape, guys. It's just, there's not much to say, except someone that ceramic coats and takes care of their car. This is what you get. Convertible top. This is garage kept, guys, so there's no fading up here at all. Let's take a look at the engine. Again, this will be a very quick preview because there's nothing to say. There's not a stitch out of place on the interior of this car. It looks like it wasn't really even sat in. Dashboard is perfect. Wheel. Power moving seat to get in the back. As you can see here, again, flawless. Come by and check this thing out, guys. You will not regret it.